got a 1631 2600 Kinze. I'm sure the girls have we'll have pictures of the monitors and full box we got with it. Everything we got with it will be in the pictures. We just brought it out so you can see kind of what it is. It does have no-tills on it. It is 30-inch rows on the corn rows and 15 on the bean. We'll have to look and see. I'm sure it's got bean meters in it here. We'll see what else we got with it. I don't know if we got corn meters, but whatever's listed is what it'll have. I'll look at the other side just to see. But it does have Yetter no-tills on it. The openers are good on this planter, it looks like. I don't know if it was used this last season. It's been setting. It may need some stuff greased up, freed up. Some gauge arms and stuff, but I know they've got a new planter. And you see the blade size is good on this planter. The openers are good on the pusher. Let's show a weld right here. So this post right here, there's always a weld on that. That just goes with the product. But right here's a non-factory weld. I believe they redid around the pin, probably on the marker. The marker's got some touch welds where they always have them. This does have a fertilized tank on it, but I don't see any application system, and it does have an electric. It's probably going down through the Keatons in row. Both markers have non-factory welds on them, but you can see they've done some work. They've done some bearing work, put some new caps on. You see some new bolts. Got some new hubs on it. It has rubber closing wheels. This planter has all pretty well new no-tills on the corn rows. And the gauge wheels are pretty tight. Rubber closing wheels all around on this. You can see the shanks, they're good. They're not like all messed up. That's a good place to look. And I'll tell you something else. It's not welded up there where the serial number plate is. Original serial number plate. This planter hadn't had a horrible life. Most of the welds on the markers and on that front pedestal where you expect to see them at, right? But in general, I think this is a good straight planter. It is going to sell absolute. Look here, we got so we got some bean meters up here in the boxes. They're not in on the back side, so there's 3 in there. The bean meters for the back rows are in these boxes. They're kind of spread all down through there, but the bean meters are mounted in the front boxes. But it's here. I still don't. Here's where the fertilizer is going, right here beside the row. See it right there? It's going in right between the discs. Some kind of electric system. Don't know much about it, but we should have all the goodies, and it's going to sell absolute.